All right, today's report looks a lot like last week's on this very same day of the week. Today we are reporting 688 new positive cases of COVID-19. 96 of those are kids, 18 and under. This continues to grow, the percentage of kids testing positive, and we know not as many kids are being tested. But with people going back to sports, go get your kid tested. Don't show up at a big group activity if they haven't been tested in the last couple of weeks. Please make sure they get tested, because your kids don't want to live with if they find out they had the virus knowing they were around a lot of people. Let's make sure that we do that. And yes, it's not comfortable, but it's important. It's important to protect each other. Our positivity rate has crept back up. We are back over 5%, 5.07%. We like being below 5. We really want to get below 4. A lot of states that are doing things we really want to do are below 3 or even lower. So, if we've got that competitive spirit we've apparently been feeling lately, let's get competitive with other states, and let's get competitive about something that saves lives. Currently, 593 Kentuckians hospitalized, 151 in the ICU, and 81 on a ventilator. And I've talked to more and more families that are going through this. When you got a loved one that's just in the hospital for COVID-19, you are scared to death. When they go to the ICU, you almost lose hope. And when they're on the ventilator, you are thinking and having to make decisions that no one should ever have to. So let's make sure that we don't partake in actions that would result in any family being in this situation. These are real people. Doesn't matter if you know them or not. They are real people whose families love them. Now had over 831,302 tests conducted in Kentucky. Today we're reporting 10 new deaths. We're going to have a lot of these. We keep talking about it just because of the number of cases. And that's a result of how well we do out there and wearing masks, and how well we do in reducing our contacts. Today's deaths include an 87-year-old woman from Logan County, an 89-year-old man from Jefferson County, an 80-year-old woman and an 85-year-old woman from Lewis County, an 84-year-old man from Scott County, an 81-year-old man from Bell County, a 92-year-old woman from Scott County, an 84-year-old man from Lewis County, a 79-year-old man from Webster County, and a 59-year-old man from Davis County. And right now, I don't think we have identified any underlying health conditions otherwise on that individual. New cases by county. Jefferson continues to get hit hard, 203. Warren County, 78. 6 new school-age kids on this report. That is 14 school-age kids in the last 3 days. That is really concerning, and we hope the contact tracers are working immediately. 45 in Fayette, 22 in Madison, 18 in Christian, 14 in Hardin, 14 in Logan, 14 in Rowan, 12 in Greenup, 12 in Kenton, 12 in McCracken, 10 in Laurel, Oldham, and Pulaski. As you look down this list again, cases can pop up that we might not have been reading all that often. We got 9 in Jackson County. We got 8 in McCreary County, 6 in Garrett. Graves, but Graves continues to be hit hard. 5 in Marshall. No one at 4 more in Greene. And this is everywhere. It's absolutely everywhere, and you can see a lot of cases really fast.